name is Valerie Vanderpool, and I am the food service director at Jolla Country Day School. The community here is one of the most positive environments that I've ever worked in. Our service here is fast and furious. We serve over 1,300 people in 2 hours every day. We do several menus during the year. We don't just do like a first and second semester menu. So I'm very aware of making sure that there's different nutritional values on every single station. And we're so lucky to live in Southern California because we have so many ingredients available that are grown here. So I just try to keep their horizons very broadened by a large variety of items all the time because they do get bored and they do let me know. My approach to leadership is leading by example. I mean, it's super important. If you can't do it, it's hard to ask someone else to do it. And I have been doing this for so long, and I really love teaching. And so I love sharing my experience and coaching and helping people find their path. I love to give team members autonomy because I feel like that's how you can make them grow and blossom in their job. Everybody comes here with different experiences. It would be a shame not to learn from that. We have very interactive pre-service meetings because it's really important that the team members have the information to give to whoever has any questions specifically about allergens because it's such an important item that we have to be cognizant of every day. This team works so well together because everyone's professional. We don't have a lot of people that call out every day. Everyone shows up. They show up for each other. They're very, very team oriented, and they're a really tight-knit group.
Anything else? I think that's it. Thank you guys.